First of all,
Okay, silence.
yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you all for this wonderful 2 days that we had. I'm sure it was very highly spirited and you all enjoyed it. For me, it was not just the game. For me, it was to get the entire region on one ground to play together. I don't know if I will have another day, another moment. I can organize for other such events, but then in about 2.5 years that I've been in this company, I'm so happy that I could get all of them together together. Thank you. I'd like to invite Nitin and Murthy sir to maybe come and talk a few words to the team, and then we will go on to the rest of the ceremony. Sir, where is? Please come.
So, first and foremost, I think we all need to give a big round of applause to Smita for actually even thinking of something like this. I was actually very glad when we thought of doing something like this. Because it's so important. We all are just so tied up into our day-to-day work every single day. We all sit in the same office, and very frankly, I feel very ashamed today because I don't know most of you. And I'm going to try to at least get to know most of you today before I leave. So thanks for at least giving us all that platform. At the end of the day, we played in a very competitive manner, but clearly with very healthy spirit. I saw that today on the ground, whatever limited time that I've been here. So, of course, outside of being a corporate FM or a corporate FS or a manufacturing or a base office or an educum or education, importantly, we're all Sodexo. And today, all of us truly enhanced the Sodexo spirit. Okay, so thank you for playing wonderfully well. It was a joy to be here, to watch all of you thoroughly enjoying the game and playing it in the best sportsman spirit possible. I think I have not seen a better played finals with no sledging, by the way. Nobody was sledging here. Some competitiveness. एक दूसरे को कुछ तो बोलना चाहिए था. Yeah? कोई गाली वाली नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं. Amazing. So keep up that spirit, and hopefully we'll do many more such things. Once again, big round of applause, Smita, to you for the concept and actually making this happen. All right.
I would definitely like to start with thanking Smita for organizing such a wonderful event. Every bit of requirement was taken care really so nicely. I think we all had a fantastic time. Second, I would definitely like to congratulate the education team.
Thank you.
Yeah, on being the first T10 champions. I would also like to congratulate my team. You guys really fought really well. Yes. So happy hooray to FM. And thanks for everyone for participating in such a wholehearted way. I know it was a weekend, but we didn't mind that. And with two great days we've had. And I hope, Smita, you come up with some more ideas like this and get us all together. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you, Murthy. Before I go to the next, I'd like to I have many people to thank for this event. The list actually goes on, but I'd like to start with thanking the management of Oak Ridge for having given us an opportunity like this to play on the ground, make a lot of noise. We have not been bothered about how it was disturbing them. We really enjoyed. So thank you, Mahesh, Nitin sir. I think next time you meet them, I think you should convey this gratitude. The organizers, the site team, especially for non-stop supporting us with food, with their beverages. I have Ranjita who made this wonderful cake here for us. Then I have Ranjit. I think yesterday it was Rakesh from the manufacturing team also who supported with, not manufacturing, I'm sorry, with the corporate FS who made the food for us. And all the ground staff here, the boys from the cafeteria. I have Feroz. I'm sorry, I do not know many names, but Feroz, Arif, two names that I really remember. But thanks to the rest of the ground level staff.
Madan and Mohan.
Okay, Madan, Mohan, thank you all. Muttu, thank you all very much. And not to non-stop commentary that we have had. I think you kept us entertained throughout. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it. Govind, we'd like to have you here.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನನಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾನವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಸ್ಮಿತ್ ಮೀನನ್ ಅವರು ಕಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹಿಂಸೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ 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 ಹೀಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತು. ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ಮಿತ್ ಮೀನನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ? ಮಾನವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯವರ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಮೆನನ್ ಅವರು ಓಕೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು 2 ದಿನ, ಕಳೆದ 2 ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದಿರ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆದು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಮೆನನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಸಾಯಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಯಜಕುಮಾರ್ ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು 2 ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100+ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಹಲೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕ್ರಮಣ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಈ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಮೆನನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ 7 ದಿನ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮುರಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸತತ 1 ರಂಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಈ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ once again cheer up ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಮೆನನ್.
Actually, with this game, we realized there are a lot of people who are talented here. I mean, skilled in their field in sport and otherwise also. I hope we get a chance to represent, to have a corporate cricket team and then get them to play outside. So today we have 2 teams missing here. One is, their representatives are here from the manufacturing and from the corporate FS. But only the representatives are here. But I think we have lovely talent, and it's really nice to have all of them. I had actually kept a surprise element, not a surprise actually. I had mentioned it in my mail. I had asked people to design a jersey on the concept of army, and I think everybody did a great job of coming out with whatever they felt was right. But from an appeal to point of view, I think I have a small token. I'm sure at the end of opening this cover, they will curse me for it. But then I'd like to call the Grenadiers. Please come, Ravi. Come over. Don't open it now. If you opened it. Yeah, so you will have to stand in the queue next. Yeah, in one of the ATMs or banks for sure. I was trying to get away with all the notes that I have. that still has value. So for Govind also I have something, but I don't want to do the similar thing there, but I will send it across to you. Okay? I think now it's time to get to the actual trophies. I personally went and picked this up, and when I picked each one of them, I definitely did it with a lot of passion, so that when I give something to you, you should be happy carrying it back with you. Even it could be the smallest one. Okay. Let me read out the categories. It's player of the match. That is for every match. The man of the match. player of the final, batsman of the tournament, bowler of the tournament, player of the tournament, medals for the runners-up team, medals for players of the winning team as well, and the championship trophy. I will start with man of the match. That is for the respective league matches that you have had. Rajputana Rifles versus Tuskers. Manju from Rifles. 4 wickets, for taking 4 wickets. Nitin sir, please come on.
Good job, Manju, good job.
These are the man of the match, player of the match.
Good job, Manju.
Grenadiers versus Snipers. Satish from the Snipers team for 41 runs.
Good job, Satish.
Sorry, I am asking you to take it from here. Commandos versus Rifles. Pawan from Rifles for 33 runs and 3 wickets. Good one. Congratulations. Tuskers versus Grenadiers. Srinivas for 3 wickets. Srinivas is from Grenadiers. Srinivas. Snipers versus Commandos. Kiran from Snipers. Congratulations, Kiran.
Good job, Kiran.
Tuskers versus Commandos. Siddesh from Tuskers, 3 wickets. He isn't here, but anybody from the Tuskers team? I think we have Umesh. Umesh, please come and take over this.
Good job,
This is Siddesh for 3 wickets.
Yeah, good job.
Rifles versus Grenadiers. Surendra Kumar from Grenadiers, 72 runs. Actually, he is the only half-century scorer. Snipers versus Rifles. Devraj, 3 wickets. That was a hat trick, right? Grenadiers, thank you, congratulations. Grenadiers versus Commandos. Surendra from Grenadiers.
Once again.
3 wickets.
Once again.
Surendra, right?
Once again, Surendra.
Surendra.
Subhendra Kumar.
Surendra Kumar.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, good job.
Snipers versus Tuskers. Kiran from Snipers. 47 runs and 3 wickets.
Good job, Kiran. Good job.
So I think that ended my man of the match awards. Now let me go to the next category. I have player of the tournament. Any guesses?
Kiran.
Okay, well, it's Kiran from scoring 96 runs and 8 wickets.
Good job, Kiran.
No.
Good job, Kiran. Good job. Super, man.
Good job, Kiran. Next is batsman of the series.
No.
Any guesses?
Pawan, Pawan.
Pawan from Rajputana Rifles. 93 runs. Next is. Thank you, Pawan. Next is bowler of the series. Any guesses? Those who know, please keep quiet. Otherwise, generally, make a guess.
Actually, Kiran.
See, you know, to manage it a little bit, balance it a little bit. Well, it is. It is Srinivas from Grenadiers. Bowler of the series, 7 wickets in 3 matches.
Good job, good job, good job. final.
Final match. The player of the match. Final match. Any guesses?
Only one. Kiran!
That's a miniature of this.
Good job, Kiran. Good job.
Good job, Kiran. Well, we'd like to have the runners of team come and collect their medals. So, sir, would you come over, please? We have medals for the team.
So one by one.
It's pure silver. Yeah. I'm telling you, no? Okay, so the team names, somebody will have to.
Player can come.
Ravi,
Captain can call. Captain can call players. Captain can call players.
you call, captain, call out the players, please.
Call individual.
One by one.
The entire team, please come on here.
Yeah.
All 11 players on stage.
All 11
All.
players on stage, please.
Final match. Come, Rajesh.
Good job, Grenadiers. Good job.
Good job. Well done.
Good job, Ravi. Good job. Good team, Ravi.
Come on, cheer, guys. Come on.
Good team, Ravi. Good team. Hey, Firoz, आगे आना, Firoz, आगे आ. आगे लेके आओ. आगे लेके आ, Firoz, आगे लेके आ रे, आगे लेके आ. आगे खड़ा रहे, Firoz, आगे. Good job, Grenadiers. Good job.
Come on, good job.
Louder.
Ladies stop.
Hey, whole squad. Team manager, Gurjeet, team manager. Hey, team manager, Gurjeet. Team manager.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ
Coach GS Nair. Coach Nair.
ಟೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ one for me.
You can have a group photo.
Good job,
Trophy
Grenadiers.
is yet to be. Don't push the trophy out. No way.
Keep all the trophies, man.
Guys, just concentrate on that. Yeah.
The strongest batting team of the tournament.
Yeah, absolutely. Strongest batting team. Huh? Thank you very much.
Well done, team.
Well,
It's time to have the champions of the tournament on the dais.
Kiran lead.
I think we can give away the medals.
Kiran lead.
The entire team, please come.
One by one.
The entire team.
Come, Atula.
इधर आके पहले नाम अनाउंस करेंगे.
So starting from the champion, Kiran. Followed by Manoj. Shivraju. The champion keeper Satish. The opening bowler Shivraju. Live wire Arab. Home ground player Arab.
actually we're missing out Jain. I think you did a great.
We have a medal for it.
We have a medal for it.
I will actually, when I meet him, I'll.
I think you should, yeah.
Alright, well done.
To the live wire, Karthik. To the encouraging Prakash Bhatna. To the silent man, Chandru. To the lady luck, Atul Kumari.
Mahesh.
And Mahesh Mukund.
And Mahesh. Well, please stay over, please. Please stay over. And pause. No, can I?
And for the leader who supported us throughout.